everybody, in this video I'll show you the procedure on how can you fix Google TV or Sony Google TV can't install app. So there might be a couple of different reasons why the app or why the device is unable to install the app. The first thing is you could check the storage on your Android TV. For that, click on the gear icon with the help of your remote. Moving on, you want to go ahead and click on device preferences from the menu bar. Next, you want to go ahead and click on storage from the menu bar itself. And on the next field, what you have to do is go to internal shared storage. Here, what next you want to do is go to available, or you could also try clearing your data or maybe cache. That could be able to help you out. The next thing, what you could also do is if the issue still persists on, you could also try in disabling or enabling or Google Play Store. For that, you want to go ahead and tap on the settings once again, go to apps, after which select Google Play Store or click on see all apps. Once you do it, so here you want to go to Google Play Store and you want to simply click on disable, wait for at least 10 seconds and once again enable it and see that fixes your issue or not. However, if the issue still persists on, you could also try looking for an update or maybe going with the software update. Sometimes it could be an issue. So go to the system and go to the about section and check whether there needs to be any sort of software update on your device or not. So these are a couple of things you could try. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.